ILIFE has been constantly improving their products. They started at V1, made a lot of steps forward to V7, and now they are at V7S Plus, not to mention they also released the new A series. From a closer view, you will realize both V7S Pro and V7S Plus are typically similar robots. Suction power and cleaning. It can closely be compared with other more expensive vacuum robots such as the Roborock from Xiaomi. The only disadvantage associated with a random pattern is the inefficiency. However, as far as the suction goes, the 600 PA delivered by its air pump are well used for creating a good constant airflow. This means the V7S Plus can suck everything from cornflour to Cheerios, thanks to its single-side brush system. Moreover, it comes with a double V brush roll. We can also see IE in iRobot's Roomba, a design which performs efficiently on bare floors and low-pile carpets. Battery. The model obtains its power from a 14V 2600 mAh Li-ion battery that offers great reliability. It avails an average functional time starting at 140 to 150 minutes. You can just put it on the dock and connect it to the charging cable. Charging takes 4 to 5 hours to complete. Dust in water bins. The water bin downsized to 300 milliliters 10 ounces. It can also store 2 ounces of dry dust. The dust bin remained unchanged at 300 milliliters 10 ounces. These numbers are enough IMO for most of us. Unless you need to clean a 4,000 feet mansion, I believe 10 ounces can accommodate a full cleaning session. Filters. There are 2 layers of filtration created by the 2 separate filters, which are located inside the dust bin. These are not HEPA, but then again, they can be washed and reused multiple times. There's also a spare filter inside the box, so I estimate at least 1 year until you would need to change anything in this area. Number 2. Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum. All things considered, the Xiaomi Mi is a well-rounded vacuum cleaner. The larger battery means a longer runtime, and often a more complete cleaning cycle goes hand in hand with a longer runtime. The vacuum is able to cover more ground during its cleaning cycle, also giving it the ability to go over the same area multiple times. The Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum is a good overall choice. Patting. The Xiaomi Mi cleans using a few different tactics, but for the most part, each tactic contributes to the overall cleaning method used by this robot vacuum. Battery. As with almost all battery-operated devices, the battery is going to die at some point. Therefore, you will need to replace it. The Xiaomi Mi battery claims to last 2 years long before needing replacement. Xiaomi Mi's massive 5200 mAh capacity battery is one of the largest batteries we have tested to date. Noise. All vacuum cleaner reviews on Modern Castle are put through our standard noise test. For this test, we use a sound meter to measure noise in terms of decibel level approximately 3 away from the vacuum. Sensors. In order to complete this style of cleaning, the Xiaomi Mi uses 12 different sensors to track its movements in real time. By doing so, the vacuum cleaner is able to plan its cleaning path for a more efficient cleaning session. In addition to the sensors around its perimeter, the Xiaomi has a laser distance sensor located on the top. Brushes. Some other physical attributes that play a role in how the Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum cleans include the spinning brush and rolling brush located on the bottom of the unit. Number 3. Lima Bean Window Cleaning Robot. AI technology automatically detects window frames and obstacles, calculates and programs an optimal cleaning path for maximum efficiency. UPS system and anti-dropping algorithm to stop this small smart appliance from falling if the battery cuts out or the power fails. Zigzag automatic cleaning routes, auto up then down, auto left then down, auto right then down. Powerful motor powered suction. The robot vacuum motor will draw in the air, allowing the robot to hold onto the glass tightly as it traverses the surface. Remote control. Simply switch the cleaning route or control the directions by the remote controller. APP control. You can control the vacuum cleaner through the Bluetooth matching to your smartphone or tablet. Using tips. Window cleaning robot only clean the dust on the glass, not clean oil stains, cosmetic stains. This window cleaning robot can only be used after plugging in the power supply, not working by battery. Please do not use in borderless windows, mirrors, etc. We truly believe we carry some of the most innovative products in the world, and we want to make sure we back that up with a risk-free ironclad 30 days warranty guarantee. If you don't have a positive experience for any reason, we will do whatever it takes to make sure you are 100% satisfied with your purchase. If you are looking for a cheaper robot vacuum cleaner with all the functions that Roborock has, the C30B may be an option. It supports mapping, mopping, at control and virtual wall functions just like the Roborock robot vacuum cleaner. It even supports voice prompt, although it is not as practical as we imagined. The C30B is the newest model launched in 2019, which only costs about $230, compared with the Roborock robot vacuum cleaner. It has almost all the smart functions of the Mi2, so if you want to experience all the smart functions with less money, the C30B is the best choice. However, the hardware of the C30B is not as good as the Xiaomi Mi 2. The battery of the C30B is just 2,500 mAh, only half of the battery capacity of the Roborock robot vacuum cleaner. And the pathing algorithm of the C30B is not as smart as Xiaomi Mi 2 due to our tests. Although the C30B has mapping system, the pathing performance in a regular space and narrow room is not as good as Xiaomi Mi 2, and it has higher possibility of malfunction. In a word, it is not as efficient as Xiaomi Robot, but its pathing system is still okay. Another advantage of the C30B is its powerful 3,000-pound motor, offering powerful sanction and cleaning performance. However, as it only has 2,500 mAh battery, the C30B is easier to run out of power, so if you have a large house, you should consider this shortage carefully. In conclusion, costing within $230, the C30B has an integrated performance in cleaning, smart function and pathing algorithm. If you want a robot vacuum cleaner within $250 and experiencing more smart functions, you can give the C30B a try. Number 5. Roborock S50 and Roborock S55. Roborock S50, best effective vacuum cleaner. It combines multiple suction modes with a great suction power to help you clean the carpet, hardwood floor effectively. The quite slim design allows it to clean the underneath your shelves, TV stand, and other low furniture. With the smart laser navigation, LDS, it will avoid the obstacles, even the staircase and corners. All you need to do is to operate it with Wi-Fi connectivity and mobile app. It can meet your general cleaning needs completely. Roborock S55, best reasonable vacuum cleaner. Roborock S55 is the improvement of Roborock S50. S55 will save the map of your apartment and know where it should clean or not. Laser distance sensor navigation will let it clean your floor with moving around completely at 360. Clean, mop model and HEPA filtration give you a big chance to clean your floor more effectively and keep your health. The cost is better than S50. All in all, they also give you a hitch-free cleaning outcome. Highly recommendable for all kinds of cleaning. The only factor you should consider is the cost and design appearance. After our comparison Roborock S50 versus S55, we know the Roborock S50 and S55 are very much alike in specification and features. If you're looking for a RoboVac that is suitable for deep cleaning of diverse surfaces, these two vacs are highly recommendable. Notwithstanding, to select whichever catches your fancy, you should bear the following in mind. The S50 and S55 are quite pricey. Although they cost a lot, they are worth the expenses but are definitely not the most expensive robotic vacuums out there. So if you're shooting for an efficient robotic that gives you enough value for your money, you can check more Roborock products. On the overall, via this Roborock S50 versus S55 article, the Roborock S50 and S55 are two awesome robotic vacuums with more tech features than any other brand out there, especially based on the fact that they can resume cleanup and save the map of your home.
Thanks for watching. Click the description for price and details, and you can also find links of the product in description. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel.